Hey guys, my name's Emma and welcome to a video where today we will be doing something awesome. Wait, let me do something. Okay Google, turn the lights to 100%.
You got it. Setting 5 lights brightness to 100%.
Okay, now we can start. Alright, go, go, go. Keep her in here though, okay?
Okay, go there.
Oh, that's the person that's helping me as well. Do you want to turn around?
That's all this film.
Or do you want to see the camera and look at the people? Look at the people watching. Say hi.
Hi.
No
So,
one helping.
this is
No, I'll do the rest of the talking. No, wait, get back in here. Little Harley.
oh, hi. Okay, I don't like this.
Right here, you follow her then. You follow her. No.
I want to place my dino.
First, you follow now, okay? Make sure the kitty's on camera. Alright, guys, now I'm doing it. Can you look at me? Guys, look at me. Hi, it's me. Alright, you can look back at the kitty.
Look at guys. Oh, look at little kitty. Okay. Hey kitty, do I look at the camera?